The Mazda CX-5 2023 and later models feature the Mazda Connect infotainment system with a 10.25-inch touchscreen for intuitive control. For navigation, use the Mazda Connect app or touchscreen to set destinations via TomTom Maps, which include points of interest and real-time traffic updates. Search for addresses or use voice commands like, "Hey Mazda, navigate to location" for hands-free operation. To set up Bluetooth, go to Settings, Phone, Add Device. The system supports up to 7 phones for calls and audio streaming. For wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, simply connect your compatible phone to mirror its interface for apps like Maps and Spotify. Higher trims have standard wireless support. Ensure your phone is compatible and updated for seamless connectivity. The Mazda CX-5 infotainment system offers several key features for optimal use. Utilize gesture controls, voice commands, and physical buttons for quick access to functions. Mazda is shifting towards more over-the-air updates, integrating 5G connectivity and AI-driven assistance for improved performance. For navigation, users in urban areas report 98% accuracy in ETA predictions during peak hours. However, expert opinions note that Bluetooth pairing can sometimes be laggy on older iPhones. Be sure to install firmware updates to optimize functionality. Keep in mind safety features like driver focus mode, which limits distractions by dimming the screen while driving. The system also supports Mazda's active driving display for augmented reality navigation overlays on the windshield.